Common English phrases used at a cinema. What movies are playing today? What's the latest movie release? 2 tickets for the 7 p.m. show, please. Do you have any seats available for Final Destination? How much is a ticket? Is there a 3D version of this movie? Can I book tickets online? Is there couple seat available? I'll take a large popcorn and a Coke. How much for a small popcorn? Is outside food allowed in the theater? Where is theater number 6? Let's find our seats quickly before it starts. Are these seats taken? Sorry, I think you're in my seat. Can you move a little? I need to get to my seat. Shoo, the movie is starting. Pass me the popcorn, please. I didn't expect that twist. The special effects were so realistic. I need to go to the restroom. Can you watch my seat? What just happened? I missed it. Would you watch it again? Let's check out what's playing next week.